Hey everybody, Michael here, Chinese name Yuan Fen. And you can play the guitar. That's right, you can play the guitar. You just don't know how yet. You can play the guitar, you just don't know how yet. And I'm going to teach you. If you follow this system, within 6 weeks, you'll be able to play songs and play them well. Really. I know you're probably thinking, oh yeah, okay, whatever. But really, it's true. This is one of my online students. I've never met him before, never taught him in person. He's only followed my online system, and this is him after 6 weeks. Not bad. And that'll be you too. Okay, let's get right to it. We're gonna learn a really cool song today. It's called Smoke on the Water. It's pretty easy and you'll be able to play it a lot faster than you think. So enough talk, let's get right to it and let's start learning. Alright, so here's the guitar, and the guitar has 6 strings right here. This littlest one is the first string. Above that is the second string. Above that is the third string. The fourth string. The fifth string. And the sixth string. Sixth string. Fifth string. Fourth string. Third string. Second string. First string. Cool. Now, the guitar also has these boxes here, and these boxes are called frets. And the guitar has a lot of frets, but this is the first fret. This is the second fret. Third fret. Fourth fret. Fifth fret. Sixth fret. On and on and on and on and on. Again, first fret, second fret, third fret, fourth fret, fifth fret, sixth fret, just like that. Now, these silver bars right here are the bottom of each fret. We don't push down on this. Instead, we put our finger right above it. So to play the second fret, I put my finger right above this silver bar right here. This is to play the third fret, first fret, fourth fret, fifth fret, just like that. Okay, so we can play this song on any string, but let's play it all on the first string. And this is what the song pattern is like. Open 3, 5, open 3, 6, 5, open 3, 5, 3, open. Now what do these numbers mean at the bottom? Well, everything is on the first string, and these numbers are which fret we put our finger down on. The 0 means open. You just pull the first string without putting any fingers on it. That's what the 0 means. So for the first part, open 3, 5, it's pretty simple. Write it down on a piece of paper first, just like this. Then for the 3, put your finger, your first finger, over the 1, 2, 3rd fret like this. Just over it, and play open. Then put your first finger down. Press down to make a sound. Like that. Open 3. Keep your finger very close. Don't let it fly away. Keep it very close. And push down hard to get a good clean sound. If you hear this, or not enough. And if you're up here, that's not enough either. No, it doesn't sound good. Put it down at the very bottom. So let's practice the open 3, open 3, open 3 a few times. Keep your finger very close. Here we go. Open 3, open 3. One more time. Open 3. Cool. And we see here the first part is open 3, 5. So we get our third finger, this one, and we put it over the 5th fret. 3rd, 4th, 5th fret, like this. We just have it ready. It's not down, it's up, but it's very close. So for open 3, 5, we just go open 3, 5. Let's try that one more time. Open 3, 5. Again, if you're getting this sound, you're not pushing down hard enough. Really stretch and play at the very bottom of the frets, like that. Okay, let's try that a few times. Open 3, 5. Let's play it 3 times together. 1, 2, ready, go. Open 3, 5. Open 3, 5. One more time. Open 3, 5. Cool. When you are ready, let's move on to the second part. Alright, now the second part, seen right here, is a little bit more tricky, but not that bad. Write this down and then play open 3, 6, 5, just like that. And pay special attention to the rhythm. It's not all the same. No, no, no. The 6, 5 is a very short change. It's da, da, dun, 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 like that. The 6, 5 is short. Okay. The open 3 is easy. We can do that. Ooh. But the 6, 5 is a little bit more tricky. What we do is we put both our fingers down, 3rd finger on 5th fret, 4th finger on the 6th fret, like this, at the same time. Height, 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 right? And we want to really stretch our little finger out there. Don't let it go lazy like this. Really stretch it out and put it at the bottom of the fret. Okay, so let's play that together. Open 3, 6, 5. See, it's already almost there. Just swing your fingers up and stretch it out. Cool. Okay, now let's get the rhythm, and the way we do that is to play everything slowly and smoothly, okay? Don't rush ahead like that. No, no, no. Instead, play everything slowly. So here we go. We'll do it 3 times really slowly. 1, 2, get everything ready. Ready, go. Again. Again. Cool. Hey, if your brain is freaking out right now, if you tried to do that and went, I can't do it, you know, that's just your brain. Take a break, take a breath, relax, and just do it. You're just putting your finger on a certain place. That's all there is to it. It's real easy. It's just your brain freaking out that's getting in the way. So if that's happening and you're feeling lots of stress, just relax. It's okay. It's okay. It's normal. But just relax and try it again. It's simple. Just this, this, this. Super easy. Okay? All right. So let's move on to the last part. Alright, I think of part 3 like a pyramid or a jinzitang. And write this out. 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. Easy. Okay, and we play it with this rhythm. Okay? We hold the note on 5 for a longer time. Now sing it to yourself. Bum, 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 bum. Again, bum, 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 bum. Open 3, 5, 3, open. That was an exaggerated 5, just to show you. Now let's do it with the same fingering. This finger, first finger on 3. This third finger, this one, on 5. And yeah, keep them ready, keep them close. Don't be like here. Have it close to the guitar. Okay. So here we go. Open 3, 5, 3, open. 3 times. 1, 2, ready, go. Open 3, 5, 3, open. Again. Open 3, 5, 3, open. One more time. Open 3, 5, 3, open. Cool. All right, let's play the whole song together. We'll play part 1, open 3, 5. Part 2, open 3, 6, 5. And part 3, open 3, 5, 3, open. Nice and slowly and smoothly and all together. This is the fun part. If you're having trouble with any of these parts, keep practicing it and do the whole song very slowly and smoothly. And then speed up a little bit faster, a little bit faster, a little bit faster. All right, here we go. 1, 2, the whole thing. Ready, go. Open 3, 5. Open 3, 6, 5. Open 3, 5, 3, open. Again. Open 3, 5. Open 3, 6, 5. Again. Open 3, 5, 3, open. Last time. Open 3, 5. Open 3, 6, 5. Open 3, 5, 3, open. All right, everybody, you did it. You played one song. You've got one song in the bank. Good job. Now the next step is to practice this every day, at least 3 minutes per day. Practicing every day for a short period of time is much better than 1 day a week for a long period of time. So make sure to play this at least 3 minutes a day. Practice the guitar at least 3 minutes per day. After that, start playing this song for your friends and start showing them what you're learning and even start to teach them. When you teach something to someone, you learn it in a whole nother, deeper way. So I recommend doing that. But be sure to show them because playing for other people is a whole lot of fun. All right, in the next video, we are going to learn some advanced guitar techniques that will make you sound really good, but they're really easy to play. But that'll be the next video. Right now, practice a few minutes each day, master this song, you'll get it before you know it, okay? All right, everybody, my name is Michael, Chinese name, Yuan Fen. And I will see all of you in the next video.